If any of y'all are driving a Dodge, Challenger, Charger, goddamn Durango Trackhawk, and your shit won't start, check it out. I'm gonna help y'all out. Yesterday I ran into Menards, did a little Menards run, came back out with my fiance, put my foot on the brake, right? Push start, it was not starting, but I wasn't even trying to crank or nothing. All the lights came up on the dash and went directly into run. It would not start at all, at all. You run into this problem to where your car won't start, this is what you need to do. You pop that hood, you open the fuse box. When you open the fuse box, let's see, you look for, it's gonna be number 27. They kept saying like, look for this, look for this. It's gonna be number 27, relay starter, right? And then you got one at the bottom, right here. So it's this one and this one. All you have to do is switch this to this one, swap this one to this one, and it'll fire right back up, I swear. Then what you do is you go straight to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, your local auto parts store, and then replace whichever fuse came from here. So if you switch it with this one or switch it with this one, make sure whichever one that you took from here, you replace it with a brand new one. Your check engine light might be on for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but I guarantee the next time you start the car up, you'll be perfectly fine. But yeah, if it won't start, try that. If not, if it won't start after that, you got a whole different problem. So hope this video helps you out.